Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the team's desktop app is current, because only the desktop client reliably supports custom backgrounds. Once done, open Teams and either join a meeting or open the device settings screen. Make sure your camera is selected. You need a local image or short MP4 ready, placed somewhere easy to find. Then click the camera preview in the pre-join page so you can access the next controls. This is the first actionable step. Do it now so you can add your background quickly. You now open More Actions, the 3 dots, and select Apply Background Effects, because that control lets you change or upload images. Once inside, use Preview to see how framing and lighting interact with the chosen background. This prevents awkward cutouts. If you want a custom image, click Add New File, navigate to your prepared JPG or PNG, and upload it. Make sure your face stays within the camera box. Good lighting helps the algorithm separate you from the background. You finish by clicking Apply and then enabling your camera so you can confirm the live change. This completes the process. If the background doesn't appear or shows artifacts, check Settings General for hardware acceleration and toggle it, then restart Teams. Many detection issues clear after that. If problems persist, switch to the built-in blur as a temporary fix while you update drivers or use a different image. One key tip: reduce busy patterns in your image for better edge detection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.